Now question number 6. The passage supports which of the following statements about hiring policies in the United States? This has been mentioned in the last para of passage. It says, and despite the urgent need of United States during the Second World War to mobilize its human resources successfully, job segregations by sex characterized even the most important war industries. Moreover, once the war ended, employers quickly returned to men most of the male jobs that women had been permitted to master. Employers quickly returned to men. That is called hiring policy. It's been what? The jobs were snatched from the female and it was handed over to male. Now let us go to option. Option A. After a crisis, many formerly male jobs are reclassified as female jobs. No, actually, jobs were snatched from the female and handed over to male. So it is not about the classification, but again, handing over. A out. B says industrial employers generally prefer to hire women with previous experience as homemakers. Actually, it was not about the preference. Here, what happened that it was pre-decided that this is the area of male work and this is the area of female work, and that the whole passage talking about. So B out. C says post Second World War hiring policies caused women to lose many of their wartime gains in employment opportunity. Exactly the same information is given in the passage. D says even war industries during the Second World War were reluctant to hire women for factory work. Now, before the war, there was a lot of shifting, but after war, again it was classified. So D out. E says the service sector of the economy has proved more nearly gender blind in its hiring policies than has the manufacturing sector. Again, there was no comparison between service sector and manufacturing sector. So E out, C becomes best option.